Adlaw Cebu. We are driving all the way to El Corso. Today I'm going to try one of the best milk tea in Cebu. See you later, guys.
Hey baby, are you still mad at me just because of what I did to your dog? And maybe this fur will grow back normally. Don't you think she likes her brand new look? Ooh, your claws go long and your face gets red, and you wanna slap me upside the head. But it sure is nice to see that you really care about me, and I love to see your loving passion shows up when you're mad.
I'm here in El Corso. I'm going to check the place out. Oh, what a nice view! Guys, you can find BubbleZ here.
This is the mountain tea.
Mountain tea.
Yeah. So, mo ni ato ang yung best seller dito sa Taiwan. So, it won several awards na. I think it won around 2. We all think that winter melon is a tea, but no, winter melon is just a juice. So, mo ni misconception nato, di ba, right? When we say winter melon milk tea or what, but winter melon is not a tea. Winter melon is a juice.
Mga taga Cebu ug turista, nasa El Corso SRP ang BubbleZ. El Corso is a lifestyle mall in Cebu by the sea. Here you can buy different flavors to satisfy your thirst. So refreshing and lamig kayo. So guys, I'm going to share my thoughts. The mall is safe. Ambience is amazing at BubbleZ. They follow health protocols. They are using authentic tea, not a powder tea. Beautiful view outside and friendly staff. I highly recommend BubbleZ. That's all guys. See you soon.